What is computer performance? If you want to make sure your computer runs fast and smooth, you'll need to look at two main things: RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, and the processor. Your RAM is your computer's short-term memory. If you have more RAM, it makes your computer better at multitasking. For example, running several programs at the same time. Your processor is a chip in your computer which loads and retrieves information. It tells all other computer parts what they have to do. To achieve high computer performance and speed, you will need sufficient RAM and processing power. Mac versus PC performance. Mac. Apple controls the hardware and software, so every Mac offers tight integration of the two, which leads to greater stability and performance despite on-paper specs often inferior to comparably priced PCs. PC. Different manufacturers and even custom-built PCs might not have the suitable drivers released for every operating system. Incompatibilities can occur that adversely impact overall stability and performance. Updating your computer. Check if you have the current version of your computer's software. In most cases, a newer version will remove unnecessary bugs and files that slow down your devices. To update Windows, select the Start Windows button from the bottom left corner. Go to Settings. Select the Update and Security icon. Choose the Windows Update tab in the left sidebar. Click the Check for Updates button. Update. Updating your computer. To update macOS, from the Apple menu in the corner of your screen, choose System Settings. Then click General in the sidebar and Software Update on the right, or choose System Preferences, then click Software Update. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Windows. You may have a lot of programs and apps on your computer that take up unnecessary space on your hard drive, or ones that you don't use or need. Do not hesitate to remove all unnecessary programs and documents that take up the free space on your computer and slow it down. To remove programs on Windows, open the Start menu, click Settings, click Apps, select Apps and Features from the left-hand side menu. Select the program you want to uninstall from the list that appears. Click the Uninstall button. To uninstall unnecessary programs from macOS, locate the app in the Finder. Most apps are in your Applications folder, which you can open by clicking Applications in the sidebar of any Finder window. Drag the app to the trash, or select the app and choose File. Move to Trash. If you're asked for a username and password, enter the name and password of an administrator account on your Mac. This is probably the name and password you use to log into your Mac. To delete the app, choose Finder, Empty Trash. Close out your tabs in the browser. If your Safari, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge has lots of tabs open, close at least half of them and you will immediately see faster operation of your computer. Turn off or restart your computer regularly. You cannot let your laptop or PC run continuously. This uses lots of RAM. When the device restarts, the computer usually terminates the applications and processes. The data loaded into memory also gets cleared, which helps to resolve everyday performance and stability issues due to keeping the operating system running for a long time. Remember to restart your computer from time to time, or turn off your computer so that it can relax and start working more efficiently for you. Save pictures or documents to the cloud. All the photos and videos you have on your computer slow down your computer and are unnecessary since there are solutions like the cloud. Store all your memories on the cloud and you can enjoy having more for space. Save pictures or documents to the cloud. OneDrive. To back up to OneDrive on Windows, open Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Backup. Under the Backup Files to OneDrive section, click the Backup Files option. Your selected folders will sync in OneDrive and new and existing files will be added, backed up, and available on your other devices even if you lose your PC. It is optional to click to clear the folder that you don't want to back up in the cloud. Click the Start Backup button. To back up to iCloud on macOS, from the Apple menu, select System Preferences. If you're using macOS Catalina, select Apple ID. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, you don't need to select Apple ID. Select iCloud. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Turn on iCloud Drive by checking the box next to it. Message Autostart Programs. Manage Autostart Programs. To speed up your computer, you need to disable Autostart for programs that do not need to be launched upon system startup. Many apps can register themselves to start automatically during startup and continue to run in the background, wasting system resources that can slow down the experience. Windows 11. Disable programs at startup. Launch the Task Manager using the key combination Ctrl-Shift-ESC. Switch to Autostart. Check the status column for programs listed as activated. Select the entry of the program you wish to deactivate and right-click on it. Click on Disable. macOS. Disable startup programs. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Preferences. Then choose Users and Groups. Click the Login Items tab to see your list of startup programs. Choose a startup program to remove and click the minus button to clear it from the list. Windows 11. Disk Cleanup. Free up disk space with Disk Cleanup. To speed up Windows 11, you should regularly free up storage space that is reserved for temporary files or files that are no longer used. Press the combination Windows key plus R. Type clean mgr and press Enter. Select the files you wish to remove from the system by placing a check mark in the corresponding box. Press OK and confirm deletion with Delete Files. The progress bar displays how far along the system is in the deletion process. If you want to boost capacity, select the Clean-up System Files option to permanently delete obsolete Windows Update and log files. macOS Ventura. Optimizing storage. macOS can help manage room on your Mac by optimizing its storage. Recent files and optimized versions of your photos are always on your Mac. On your Mac, choose Apple menu, System Settings. Then click General in the sidebar. You may need to scroll down. Click Storage on the right. View the recommendations and decide how to optimize storage on your Mac. Clearing cookies, macOS. In the Safari app on your Mac, choose Safari, Settings, then click Privacy. Click Manage Website Data. Select one or more websites, then click Remove or Remove All. Removing the data may reduce tracking, but may also log you out of websites. Clearing cookies on Microsoft Edge. On the top right, click the three dots which represent settings. On the left-hand side, locate Cookies and Site Permissions and choose it. Click on Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. Go to See All Cookies and Site Data. Choose what you wish to clear or remove all. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with the Cyber Seniors Mentor, please go to cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session.